What's up, guys? Today we got the MonsterBass Zman Takeover. Let's get into it. Check inside. Right here we got the swim eye jig heads. They're in the 3/8 ounce. And then here we got the chatterbait cross eye and the fire craw color. Right there. This is the weedless one. The two little wires. Let's open it so y'all can check that out.
Not for me, no.
Yeah, not for you. You got these two wires. You know, you could bend them the way you separate them. Oh shit. Separate them the way you want, so you know. And then
let's check these out.
That's alright, those is alright. Okay. And then we got the chatterbait CFL bladed football jig. And I never seen this before. It is new to me.
Look.
Oh, you show them that? Then we got the razor shad craws, fire craws. Y'all pair up good with this.
Yeah. With this, go with that.
Y'all pair up.
Where's the picture?
Nicely.
Where's
like
the
that.
picture?
Oh, you want to show them the picture?
No, I want a picture and to see we got all of them white. Oh yeah. This go with this.
Yeah.
This go with that. This go
She's
with
talking
that.
about this. It shows you could to pair them up. It's a perfect match.
Perfect match.
Perfect match with them.
The green one.
Yeah, but yeah, we got this, and apparently this head is made out of zinc. So when it vibrates, it's gonna hit like that. In this type of action, and it makes extra noise, plus you get the bladed noise, and the football jig moves, has a little wobble to it. All right, so next we got the Willow Vibes in a 1/4 ounce. Then for more finesse look. And to pair this one up, we got the goat and the deal color.
They copy me.
You can check that out.
Why
It
that
has like a
copy
little blue tint to it, gray, like a grayish light green pumpkin color, and it's that last tick, so no, it's gonna last. And then next we got the minnows in the deal color too. And this one will pair up nicely with the jig, the swim eye bait. With this
Oh
two
yeah,
go
look at
together.
look. Look at look. No, look. There goes this one.
And last but least, we got the finesse chat in the pearl color,
What's this?
which will go with the willow vibe.
What's this, Papi?
I'm gonna get that nice little action on the tail.
Papi, what's this?
Oh, and then you get your golden ticket.
Oh, I want to keep it.
And you get your little sticker.
I want to keep it. To cut it out.